Hello friends, peace be upon you. If we have to merge one or more images, and the images we have to merge with the luminosity control, that is, not doing color controls but controlling luminosity. I have already made a video on controlling colors and merging. So, here if you want to merge the image with the luminosity control. Usually we change blend mode to screen. And it seems that this image is merged here. But is this reined image has correct luminosity? Or does it look merged with the background image? No, it's not perfect. So, how to adjust the luminosity here? But don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start the video. First we will adjust the colors of the background image. Press Ctrl+L to open the Levels Adjustment window. Press Alt and click on Options. Check the Enhance per Channel Contrast. And after that click OK. Now, if you look at the before and after, its colors are almost correct. The same rainy image that we change the blend mode to screen. It is visible if it is faded, but its luminosity needs to be controlled or adjusted. Usually we do Image, Adjustments, Match Color. Match Color is faded here because the rain image is in the Smart Object. We will rasterize this layer. Now, go to Image, Adjustments, Match Color. The fade amount will be around 80 here. And, change the luminance value to 15. You can increase or decrease amount to see the difference. Click OK where your image is being adjusted. Now, it looks merged with the background image. But the disadvantage is that you can only control luminosity at one time. If further adjustment is desired here, it cannot be done. I undo it by pressing Ctrl+C. Here, we will create a levels adjustment layer. And clip this layer. If you click on this clip icon, the layer will be clipped. Now, we will adjust the luminosity with the dark slider, in such a way that it appears merged with the background image. Now, if we import another image here, adjust the image after placing it. After adjusting, I disable this layer. Now pick the polygonal lasso tool. And here we make a selection. And a rough selection is made here. And this layer we will rasterize. Now, go to Select, Modify, Feather. Click OK here by keeping the feather radius at 5 pixels. If you press Delete, the extra will be deleted. Deselect by pressing Ctrl+D. So the edges of the image will look smooth to us like this. Now, desaturate the image by pressing Ctrl+Shift+U. Change blend mode to screen for this layer. So, you can see that it doesn't look merged with the background image. Create a levels adjustment layer here, and clip it. Add some shadows to this image. And, further adjust its luminosity with the midtone slider. Now, check the reined image by disabling and enabling it. still need to adjust its luminosity. And, now you can see that both images are merged with the background by controlling the luminosity. And, it looks like this is the original image. That is, the image of an original image is visible. Select all these layers and press Ctrl+G to make a group. It was a normal image of a road, which we manipulated to create another image. We have merged two images here, one of water and one of rain. And, the luminosity of these two images is under our control. And, we can adjust their luminosity whenever we want. It is better than applying once. You can adjust the brightness whenever you want. I hope you like this video about this little trick. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.